Hello, 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 my beautiful people of Earth. Welcome to my channel. Today, we embark on a journey to the heart of our solar system, where a celestial powerhouse reigns supreme, the Sun. Prepare to be dazzled as we uncover the mysteries of this radiant giant, from its mind-boggling size to the captivating dance of sunspots and solar flares. Join me on this stellar adventure as I explore the Sun's role as the gravitational maestro orchestrating the movements of planets, moons, and more. So grab your space helmets, buckle up, and get ready to bask in the brilliance of our solar superstar.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Number 10. Speed of light. It takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to travel from the Sun to Earth. This means that when we look at the Sun, we see it as it was over 8 minutes ago, not as it is in the present. Number 9. Solar maximum and minimum. The Sun goes through an approximately 11-year solar cycle, marked by periods of high and low solar activity. Solar maximum is the period of peak activity with increased sunspots and solar flares, while solar minimum is a quieter phase. Number 8. Gravitational anchor. The Sun's gravitational pull keeps the planets and other objects in our solar system in orbit around it. The gravitational force of the Sun is what keeps Earth and other planets in their elliptical paths. Number 7. Solar wind. The Sun constantly emits a stream of charged particles known as solar wind. This wind extends far beyond the orbit of Pluto and influences the entire solar system. Number 6. Coronal mass ejections, CMEs. These are massive bursts of solar wind and magnetic fields rising above the solar corona or being released into space. CMEs can disrupt satellite communications and create auroras on Earth. Number 5. Solar flares. Solar flares are sudden and intense bursts of energy and radiation from the Sun's surface. They can release energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. Number 4. Sunspots. Sunspots are temporary phenomena on the Sun's photosphere that appear darker than the surrounding areas. They are caused by magnetic activity and occur in cycles that last about 11 years. Number 3. Enormous size. The Sun is an average-sized star, but it's enormous compared to Earth. It has a diameter of about 1.4 million kilometers, 870,000 miles, which is approximately 109 times the diameter of Earth. Number 2. Nuclear fusion engine. The Sun generates energy through a process called nuclear fusion. Hydrogen atoms in the Sun's core fuse to form helium, releasing a tremendous amount of energy in the process. Number 1. Solar composition.